Hello there, and welcome to this CSWatch OCR J276 video where we are continuing to look at threats to the computers. If you've not watched part 1, pause this video, go give it a cheeky watch, then come back, but let's get going. So, we are looking at SQL injection attacks and why good network policies are needed in this video. SQL injection attacks can reveal a lot of information. So websites and companies use databases to store information. Facebook, Google, IMDb, Twitter, these are all websites which are database driven. If you can get access to that information on the database, if you can access the logins for those databases, you can get in and see what's going on and get some information. Databases can be attacked to return more information than required. An SQL injection attack is performed by entering SQL code into a text box, and there's a lot more on SQL code in the SQL videos you can find later on in the site. If the SQL code is insecure, it's a really easy way for hackers to access and bypass a firewall, because when they enter the information that gets entered into a text box, it doesn't go through the firewall, which just gets sent straight to the server. If it's not protected against SQL injection attacks, then they can put an optional argument in. So for example, return all the records if 1 equals 1. That's always going to evaluate to true, so then it will just start giving out loads and loads and loads of information. This is bad. You need to make sure that SQL injection attacks can be prevented. If you've got a Facebook database which is full of information, you want that to be as secure as possible. You don't want an SQL injection attack launched on it, because otherwise you're going to get a lot of people's confidential and private information. Network policies are documentation, pieces of paper that an organisation can put into place to keep themselves safe as well. So they've got all their hardware, they've got their software, they've got their files, everything's in place, happy days. But the network policies are documentations, important things that they can do to also keep themselves safe. So they can have regular penetration testing, which is finding weaknesses in the security of a network or on a website. They can have network forensics, so if something goes wrong, they can investigate the cause and see what's going on. They can think about passwords and user access levels. They can make sure they've got anti-malware software installed. They can make sure all their data is kept encrypted. All these policies can work in tandem and work together to keep a network nice and safe. So to summarise, a system needs to be guarded against SQL injection attacks to keep its data secure as possible. You don't want to be someone to get unauthorised access to your data. Similarly, good network policies can help keep an organisation, keep their information, their data safe and secure as well, because you need to keep it as safe, as secure as possible. I hope this video has been helpful for you. I hope that now we have got a nice clear understanding of threats to the computers over the 2-part video, and I shall see you in another video. See you later.